Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can request files from your contacts or friends on Dropbox. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Dropbox, log into your account, and all you need to do, guys, is simply take a look at that panel here to the left in your home screen. And what you want to do is select File or Request. So to post on your request or to send a request to your contact, simply click on that button here, New Request. After that, this menu or window will open up for you, create new request. So what you want to do is start with a title, for instance. Let's say you're waiting for a business report from one of your business partners. So to type in, let's say, business report. After that, describe the given request below. However, doing that is optional. So let me skip that really quickly. After that, select the folder inside your Dropbox account you would like to store the uploaded and added file or folder. So I will leave it at file requests folder. However, you may change to a custom folder by clicking on change folder here and simply select a folder from your Dropbox account. You may also set a deadline for the upload. However, that feature is reserved for users with a pro account here on Dropbox. Let me skip that really quickly. After that, confirm by clicking on create here. So that is going to confirm and create the new request, and after that the file request will be created. However, in the final step, Dropbox will ask you to enter the name or the email address of the contact you're requesting the file from. So enter the email address here. Bear in mind, guys, that you can send these file requests to any user or contact, no matter if the given user or contact is in possession of a Dropbox account or not. So simply enter or type in the email address of the recipient, of the request recipient here, add a message below. However, doing that is optional. You may also use a shareable link for that, copy it and send it to your contact and confirm by clicking on share here. After that, your contact will receive a notification either via email or through their own Dropbox account and be given the opportunity to share the given file with you and send it to your Dropbox account without gaining any access to your Dropbox account, of course. So it's totally safe to do that. And that's it. After that, the file request will be listed here so that you can track its progress or close it by clicking on that button here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.